Hi y'all, it's Gina again. I have a quick question for y'all today. Or a couple of questions anyway. First of all, do y'all know how to fix this? If y'all can look right there in the center, there is a little bitty tiny like piece of metal that holds this thing together. And it does not have it like a cap, rivet, or whatever the heck you call it that goes on the top of these things. And this does not either. I have already tried to bend it with needle nose pliers. Cannot get a good enough grip to bend it. And I'm afraid to try to bend them too much, because if I do, I'm afraid I'm going to break it. And then I'm going to really have to go get another one. This thing was like $13 plus tax. I think that's a little redonkulous for a 250 gram or 2 cup, roughly 2 cup little sifter. It's a little bit much, y'all. Big Lots, you need to lower your prices. Y'all used to be a lot cheaper. Dude. For reals. I need to make my holiday cookies, and sifting things makes it lighter, fluffier, airier, whatever you want to call it. I always do that too. I mean, that has been used quite a few times. Cookies, cakes, breads, all that stuff. I sift it all. So, needless to say. And also, I'm kind of irritated because something must have happened the last time it was washed and dried and nobody said anything to me. I'm not always in charge of dishes at my house, y'all. Not always. Not all day, every day. Occasionally, my husband will do them. I have a lady that comes in, and occasionally, when she's here, she'll do them. So, it could have been broken. Nobody noticed it. Nobody thought to tell me. Whatever. They was afraid I'd get ticked off. I'm actually more ticked off that nobody noticed when they did the dishes than I am about it actually needing fixing. I could have been told, and I would have gone and gotten whatever it needs. Also, y'all, I got a question. Would that be something you get at the hardware store, the craft department? I mean, I'm trying to figure out how to fix this thing, and there's no way you can duct tape it because it's too small. So, the old duct tape theology, because this thing has to move. Like, you can see this part of it, if I can kind of hold that in there. That part of it has to move, so that moves. So that's what has to happen to make that thing work. And stuff. So, that has to happen first. And I don't want it to fall apart anymore, so I'm not going to flip it over and just sift through it, because I don't want anything in here, any metal pieces getting into something I'm cooking. So that ain't going to happen. I need one of those big round strainer things. I can tap it through. I don't feel like going shopping. I have not been inside of Walmart in that coon's age. Not that I enjoy going in Walmart anyway. I'd rather go to Target. The closest Target for me is about 40 minutes. Whereas Walmart's like 22, 23 minutes or something from my house. So, and the county that Target is in is overrun with the COVID. I mean, like, they got hundreds and hundreds of active cases, like probably 1,000 active cases or so. Whereas out in my county, we only got 308. That's plenty. Last I checked, there was 308 active cases. So anyway, if y'all know where to get this, can you please leave me a comment down there in the comment section, so I can know where to pick this up. Because I need to get this fixed. This one was like $13. I'm not going and spending another $13 for another one to break in 2 years, 3 years. I hadn't had this one that long. I need the old school kind. Y'all know what I'm talking about, with the little handle that goes, rotary handle. For those of you that are old enough to remember the rotary handle ones. That really is old school. Also, I wanted to know, what are your favorite Christmas treats that you would make where you would have to sift ingredients? Cookies, cakes, breads, like things like brownies. Leave me a comment down below to let me know all the good ideas y'all have for things that you like to have at the holidays that are baked goods. I need some inspiration this year, and I really want to know what we can make. And also, it gives other people good ideas, so leave those comments down there. I'm going to try to keep coming to you before Christmas, so that you're getting some Christmas ideas, hopefully. Hopefully I get some Christmas ideas too, because I need some. But anywho, in the meantime, hope y'all have a blessed day. And as I said, I'm going to say Merry Christmas. Let's keep the Christ in Christmas. And for all of you that celebrate Hanukkah, happy Hanukkah, because that will be coming up starting Friday is the beginning of Hanukkah, Friday sundown. So for all of you that may be Messianic or Hebrew roots or Jewish, happy Hanukkah. And yeah, that's coming from a Christian, so that knows enough to know that without the Jews we wouldn't have Christ. But happy holidays to all y'all, and Merry Christmas, and leave me some great ideas. Thanks again, guys. See y'all later. Bye-bye.